Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This video shows how to change the year in Google Street View using a desktop browser. You need Google Maps loaded in a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox. Not every street has multiple capture dates available for viewing. Mobile apps usually lack the full timeline control and offer limited history. If you want older imagery, use the desktop site where the timeline control appears. Prepare a known address or drag Pegman to a visible blue photo strand. Then enter Street View to check for the timeline icon. Start by dragging Pegman onto a blue photo strand to enter Street View. Look at the top left corner for a clock icon or a date label showing the capture date. Click that clock or date label to open the timeline slider with thumbnails. Move the slider or click arrows to step between available years and captures. Click any thumbnail to load that specific year and capture into the viewer. Close the timeline when finished and use navigation arrows to move through the chosen imagery. If you do not see a clock icon, historical Street View imagery is not available there. Try nearby streets with longer blue photo strands to find more capture years. Use an exact address or drop a pin to load consistent Street View captures. Remember that mobile apps often do not show the timeline control compared with desktop browsers. If imagery looks wrong or missing, open the menu and choose Send Feedback to request updated Street View photos. Check again later after imagery updates are published.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.